The ZXR ribbon rewinder is a great companion to the ZX40 Ultra ribbon printer. You can rewind your printed ribbons synced at the exact same speed as your ribbon printer. The box contains the stop lever, the power adapter, the rewinder itself, and a copy of the instruction manual. The stop bar, as seen here, can be fastened to the machine using the 2 screws that will go just in the bottom of the machine here. You can then adjust the stop bar You can load any sized cord to this machine between 1 and 3 inches, and it would just be held onto the machine by these prongs here. So to be able to adjust the size, you need to just loosen these handles. This will allow you to rotate the black disc and increase the size like so. Don't forget to lock this size in place. You will just need to lock the handles back up. Towards the back of the machine is where you'll place the power adapter cable, and where you will switch the machine on, adjust the speed, and tell the machine if you would like it to rewind in forward or reverse. So when you turn the machine on, you simply turn the dial. A red light will come on to indicate the machine is on. Then you can adjust the speed according to the numbers up to speed 100, that is quite fast. And you can decide whether or not you would like it to go forward or in reverse. The middle centre is pause.